Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got my first finish of the year for you. This is one of my whips from last year. I started this back in August. So here we go, let's have a look. I'm so pleased with it. So here we have Spring Dream from Dreamer Designs. It is a round, it is an 80 by 60 canvas, so it's a bit of a beast, but yeah, really fun to work on, and so glad that I've got it finished and it can finally go up on the wall. I'm going to bring you down a little bit so we can have a proper look. So you can see the absolute beauty of this canvas. It's so lovely. Lots of little fun things to find when I was working on it. We've got little butterflies. We've obviously got the deer. We've got more butterflies. We've got some bluebirds in a tree over this side. Yes, we've got birds here in the tree. This is definitely not a canvas that is designed to be looked at close. It really does come to life when viewed from a distance, and then you can really see the effect of the reflections in this lily pond here. And I just really love all the colourful florals around the edge. And what initially struck me about the painting was this gorgeous house with its lovely purple roof. I will link to my original unboxing so you can see my initial thoughts on this. And those of you that had been in my lives will have seen me work on this in lives in the past. So we had a little bit of chat about it then. The main change that I made, let me just grab those out, was this was charted with regular drills, AB drills and rhinestone drills, so crystal drills, which was these. So we've got an orange, a gold and a red. Now I had a suspicion and then tested and found my suspicion to be true, that the crystal gems are slightly, ever so slightly bigger than a regular drill size, which meant they don't chart properly, and so I didn't want to deal with that. So instead of using the crystals that were charted, I replaced them with fairy dust of similar colours. So we've got that one, we've got this one, and we've got this one, and I think that's worked really well. In fact, I'm not sure I would have liked it with the charted crystals, because this is, after all, you know, nature. Nothing here is made of crystal, so just the gentle sparkle of the fairy dust alongside the few ABs that have been charted, I feel like made it a lot better. That worked better for me. I was happier. So that's that. Yeah, I had no issues at all with the canvas, no issues with running out of anything. The ABs that it came with, you can see I've still got plenty of those left, so they'll be going into my spare stash. Very little in the way of trash, to the point that I didn't bother collecting it. There was just really not a problem with anything. It was all very lovely. There was nothing that I was running out of at all. It was all just fine. So yeah, so this is finally drawing a line under this canvas. And of course, it's funny that I started this for Harvest and Home, and yet I'm finishing it in the spring, and it's called Spring Dream. So it's come full circle. It's followed me through the seasons, from harvest to spring. Yeah, and it really was. It was lovely to work on, really enjoyable. Lots of colours, so you don't get bored of anything. was a nice mix of some confetti areas, because obviously where we've got all these flowers and branches on the side, there's quite a lot of sort of confetti there, but then also big blocks of colour blocking up here, and the house obviously had a lot of line blocking, and the house and the garden really, this centre bit, it's a lot of line blocking, but I really enjoyed it. I will check on Dreamer Designs website to see if they still have it. I'm not sure. If they do, details will be down below. But yeah, so this is Spring Dream. It's from Bigelow Illustrations. I believe they are still licensed to Dreamer Designs. So hopefully if they don't have this one, they'll have other designs from the same company. Yeah, and just really happy. And now on to the next one for me. So if you hadn't been in the live where I was talking about sort of my plan for this year, last year I ended up with far too many started canvases that I didn't finish. So this year is going to be my year of getting on top of my whips. So I will be picking up another whip and getting that ticked off the list as soon as possible. But yeah, I'm so pleased with this. It's got a lovely, like a gentle sparkle, so you can just see as I move it in the light. Really nice. Just lovely. Yeah, can't wait to get this up on the wall. It's going to be pride of place, I think, this one. I just wish I lived in the house because it's very beautiful. So do let me know down below what you're working on, particularly if you're working on something from Dreamer Designs, or you have something from Dreamer Designs in your stash that you are looking forward to working on. Do let me know. It's always nice to know what other people are doing, and I will be back soon with something new for you. Thank you for those of you that have been following this journey. It has been a long one to get from start to finish, but yeah, so grateful to have had your company while I worked on it, and really excited to have got it done. So thank you. Big thank you as always to those of you that support me by becoming channel members. If you want to join them, it is just 99p. You will get early access to my videos. I'll send you some stickers, and there's a few other little perks as well. No worries if you can't do that, of course, but it does help the channel if you can like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, stay crafty.